people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I do my makeup when I fly and when I work. Face is clean, cream, and it's ready to rock and roll. So let's get close with the camera so you can see better. I won't show you every product like this, like that, because like the chance that you're gonna understand which product it is very low. I just gonna write down below each and every product. It's easier for you, and we got straight to the point in this video without wasting any time.
Well, this is the hair, like one of the type of the hair that we can do in my company. Otherwise, it's the balm or is the braid. If your hair are not touching the shoulder, then you can just have them like this. Let's get started.
First thing first, I'm gonna take my eyeshadow. This is the first thing I do. Makes me feel good. So brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna go like V motion, so it brings the eye up, and then I'm gonna mix the pencil later. You don't have to be precise when you do this. Brown is it's a color that it goes well for everybody, and also it's very neutral. And then I'm gonna go on the bottom with this brush. I do literally everything with this brush. Second things, it's gonna be eyeliner, which is very good when you fly because it doesn't smudge and it stays there for a long time. There you go, one eye. Let's top up a little bit more. The look is coming already. Sorry for the faces I make. So I prefer this one because the pen, it makes me feel like it's not very dark, and I love the dark look. So we just apply eyeshadow and eyeliner, and this is the look, but it's not finished yet. We keep going with this one, which is a black pencil for the under eye and the top eye. You go inside the waterline, and then you go on top, on the side. There you go. Let's go and cover some bags here. And defect. I got some spots. This is from chickenpox. And I scratched it obviously when it was dry because I can't resist dry things on my skin. So if it's dry, what's that? So when I have dry things on my body, I have to remove it, and that's the consequence. I like it, really. It makes me different. Let's go and smudge this. The more you go around, and the more you see defect. Be careful not to cover what we made there. It's important to cover the under, what's the name? No, black circle. So it's important to cover the black circle because it gives you instantly a brighter look, like even though you haven't selected for all nights, for example, not my situation, because I always make sure to have more than the minimal of time resting. I go even under a little bit there. And then if you want, you can put even here a little bit. It's like personalized contouring. So I just go and cover where I see I need and where I want some bright place as well. I won't go in my nose because I have a dry skin, so it makes my skin even drier and it is going to look very bad. You can still see a little bit, but that is because my veins are very visible. My skin is very thin and sensitive, so you can see my veins. That's how I am, and I like it and accept it because the imperfection that we have makes us special and beautiful. Let me see. There you go. So let's go back with my eyeshadow. With this finger, I will go and apply more product, even in the eyelid. I want to have like a total brown look. Then again, with the finger, general color in the upper eyelid, if that's how it's called. You understand me, right? So like for my natural makeup, I will keep this part without brown color, and I will apply white because that's going to make a natural look. But now I want to show I have makeup like that, round motion. I like the abundance of the brown. On another video, I will show you how I fix my makeup in the middle of my flight. So now with this pen, like kinda natural look, eyebrows, because the color is lighter than my eyebrows itself. Now eyelashes, curl with this. The pre-flight routine is very important as well. I have my own routine before every single flight, which helped me to have a positive, better flight and full of energy, which I will once make a video for you girls. Set the right mindset before work. It's a little bit of me time. You give yourself love because we always give love to everybody, but not us. Especially my job on the plane, I am there for everybody. Help, serve them. I'm there for anything they need. We have a basic first aid training as well. We help emotionally, physically. So yeah, it's important to look after ourselves also. That's it, mascara is done. Now we are going to do some bronzer contouring. I love bronzer. In my cheekbone. On my nose. So basically I make like straight like this in both sides, and also I'm gonna go once all over my face to blend in the color. With my neck, don't go down too much. Also the ears, don't forget, behind is very important, otherwise the ears are gonna look very white. Getting close to the look. Now with some blush. I like to smile and make red cheek. And also always on the nose. It's like when you get tan on the sun. Nose and cheeks are always together, like a jeans and shirt. Last step of my makeup is I did my eyes with a lot of makeup. I do want also to have a lot of lipstick and define, so obviously I'm just gonna go with my finger. Voila! Cabin crew makeup! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're cabin crew to do the same makeup, or I just inspire you and you want to do the same. I found it very easy when you do the same makeup all over and over again to just be quick. So you think like cabin crew takes long time to get ready, but in fact, because you're doing the same things kind of every day, it takes you less in time and you become like a robot. So for instance, this makeup take me around 7 minutes maximum, really maximum if I make mistake, or you know, if I just eat while I do the makeup. But only the makeup, it takes me 5 minutes to do all this. I did since my first ever flight this type of makeup, and I think it's really nice. Makes your eyes a little bit going up. Red in the mouth is very nice because it makes your teeth look whiter, and who doesn't want teeth to look brighter? This is a trick that they taught me in the other company. It also makes you more professional. Yeah, so this is the cabin crew look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you for my next video, which will be how I fix my makeup during my flight. Until the next time.